Huge explosion shook buildings in Swindon. Emergency services at the scene.
Wow, it's getting worse. Emergency cleared road through Swindon, Pen here because you cannot get through there. Thank you. I'm alive. Oh, how far? That's yeah.
PM in the evening, I was on the top floor of my house. We had a loud explosion, a big bang, massive one twice. So some of the windows that was slightly open wide. So we were surprised, me and my daughter was scared. I checked the boiler and everything was okay. So whilst we were going down to check, my wife and they also were coming up to check if there's anything has happened. So we saw that nothing has happened on our property. Through our window and saw our neighbors coming out, so we
Rocky Q posted overnight Johnson's RZA and Riot. I'm sorry, the world's coolest kids. Gotta be. Now then, with your kids in the car, Mum, thanks for your text, kids, you're brilliant. We'll do it again next week, for Scott. And if you're having a kid in the car right now and you've got a big imagination, then we need your stories, please. Our short story writing competition, 500 words, is back for kids aged 5 to 11. If you love writing, or if you've got someone in your house who does, we need your stories now, please. Entries are now open. It's the UK's biggest story writing competition. No, it's not about the spelling.